Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make Chrome your default browser in Windows 10. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome browser, then go to the right hand side and click on the three dot, and here they click on the settings option. The second last option is the settings. Just click on it and here you see the settings tab is open. You can see the left hand side the all settings option. Just click on the default browser, and here the default browser, make Google Chrome the default browser. Just click on the make default, and here you can see the Windows setting is open. In default app, the second option is default apps. Just drag below and here you can see the web browser is Microsoft Edge. In Windows 10, the default browser is Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to make default Chrome browser. Just click on it and here you can see the list of browsers here showing. I just select here Google Chrome and that's it. Now here you can see the web browser is Google Chrome set default. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.